What's the meaning of artistic? Artistic. Artistic.
Artistic. Artistic. The term artistic refers to anything that is related to art or has qualities characteristic of art. A person who is described as artistic typically displays creativity, imagination, and a talent for creating aesthetically pleasing works. Artistic expression can take many forms, including painting, music, dance, literature, theater, and film. Those who excel in artistic pursuits are often known for their ability to evoke emotions and convey meaning through their creations. Overall, being artistic is about having the ability to use one's imagination.